Hello, teacher. Hello, Ewit. My name is Thu Nga. I'm from group 167. Today, I would like to talk about a close diphthong of vowel chart. There are 5 close diphthongs of vowel chart. 1. O, O, O. 2. Ow, ow, ow. O, no, O, toe, O, low, O, no, O, so, O, old, old, O, boat, O, home, O, phone, phone, hop, happy, happy being able to see that there lies despite all of the darkness. Ow, how, ow, now, ow, loud, ow, house, ow, sound, ow, round, ow, vowel, ow, mouth, mouse, ow, thousand, power, power, noisy is power. 3. A, A, A. 4. I, I. And last, I, I. A, 8. A, name, A, day, A, lay, A, say, A, gray, A, break, A, great, A, table, change before you have to. I, buy, I, why, I, hide, I, hide, I, wide, I, like, I, time, I, dry, I, night, I, dried, fire. Loving its essence is spirit filled fire. I, oil, boy, I, boy, I, toy, I, coin, I, point, I, voice, I, choice, I, joy, I, enjoy. Joyful. A joyful heart is in the inevitable result of a heart burning with love. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye and see you.